Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements and granting permissions. This unlocks Apple AI picture features. Open Settings, enable Apple AI, then launch the Photos or Camera app to begin. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID, and if a beta is needed, enroll quickly so you can access the latest models. Make sure to allow camera and photo access, otherwise the app cannot analyze or generate images for you. You now compose the shot and craft prompts to guide Apple AI. Point the camera, choose Portrait or Standard mode, and type a clear prompt describing content, style, and mood. Include size like 16:9 if desired. Once you generate, use masking or the brush tool to refine areas and resubmit edits. Make changes to lighting and color through built-in sliders, then rerun the AI for iterative improvements until the image matches your intent. You finish by reviewing the generated image, checking resolution and metadata before exporting. Choose the export format and save to Photos, then share via AirDrop, messages, or cloud storage while preserving the original file. If the image looks off, undo and adjust prompts or use more specific descriptors. Make sure to back up your originals. If generation fails, check permissions, confirm a stable network, and update the app or iOS before trying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.